Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 237, effective until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Idaho: Benua, Bonner, Boundary, Kootenai, Latah, Lewis, Nez Perce, and Shoshone, and the following counties in Washington: Adams, Asotin, Cheyenne, Douglas, Ferry, Garfield, Grant, Lincoln, Okanagan, Pend Oreille, Spokane, Stevens, and Whitman. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 237 has been issued until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho: Benua, Bonner, Boundary,